Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Thrive. I'm Olivia, and today I'm feeling really good.
Hey everyone, I'm David. Olivia, why are you so happy today?
So, this morning, I woke up early, I made a cup of tea, I opened the window, and I just listened to the birds outside. It was so peaceful.
Oh, that sounds really nice. I love quiet mornings like that.
Right? And David, you know what's funny? That moment made me think about today's topic.
Oh, really? Now I'm curious. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about something every English learner needs every single day. We are talking about daily routine phrases.
Daily routine phrases. Okay. But Olivia, for someone who is just starting English, what does that mean exactly?
It means the simple English sentences we use every day. When we wake up, when we eat, when we go to work or school. These are the phrases you will use more than any other phrases in English.
Oh, so these are like the most important phrases.
Exactly. And don't worry, today we'll learn them together, step by step, in a very simple way. Because here at Fluent Thrive, where real conversations help your English grow, we make it easy and enjoyable.
I love that. Let's go.
Okay, so David, let me ask you something. When you first wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you do?
Honestly, I look at my phone.
Yes, me too sometimes. But in English, how do you say that? Many beginners try to say something complicated, but actually, the sentence is very, very simple.
Really? What is it?
You just say, I wake up. That's it. I wake up.
I wake up. That's so simple.
Yes! And you can add a time. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 6:30. Easy, right?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I can say that.
You can. And here's the next one. After you wake up, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom?
Yes! In English, we say, I get up. I get up and go to the bathroom. Get up means you leave your bed, you stand up, you start your day.
Oh, so wake up and get up, they're different?
Great question. Yes, a little different. Wake up means your eyes open, your sleep ends. Get up means your body moves, you leave the bed.
Oh, so I wake up at 7, then I get up.
Perfect, David. That is a perfect sentence.
Wait, I want to try a full sentence. I wake up at 7 o'clock, then I get up and go to the bathroom.
That is excellent. That sounds completely natural. And listeners, you can do exactly the same thing. Think about your morning. What time do you wake up? Write your answer in the comments right now. I wake up at blank. We want to read your answers.
Yes, tell us your morning routine. We love reading your comments.
Okay, now, there's one mistake that many beginners make here, and I want to help you avoid it.
Oh, what mistake?
Many beginners say, I am wake up at 7, or I waking up.
And that's not correct?
It feels almost right, but it's not natural. The correct and simple way is just, I wake up at 7. No am, no ing, just I wake up.
I wake up at 7. Clean and simple.
Exactly. Short, clear, natural.
Can I share something funny?
Of course.
So, my first week learning English, I was trying to tell my neighbor about my morning, and I wanted to say, I take a shower, but I didn't know that phrase. So I said, I wash myself with water.
Oh, David.
My neighbor looked at me like, okay. It wasn't wrong, but it was not natural at all.
That is such a great example. Because I take a shower, that is the natural English phrase. Not complicated, just I take a shower.
I take a shower. So easy. Why didn't I know that?
That is exactly why we are here. And there are more phrases like this. Let me give you the full morning routine, step by step.
Okay, I'm ready. Go.
Number 1, I wake up. Number 2, I get up. Number 3, I take a shower or I have a shower. Both are correct. Number 4, I get dressed. Number 5, I have breakfast or I eat breakfast.
Oh, I get dressed. That means I put on my clothes.
Exactly. Get dressed means you put your clothes on your body. You are ready.
Get dressed. Okay, I like that.
And notice something. Many of these phrases use get or have or take, not complicated grammar, just simple action words.
Get up, get dressed, have breakfast, take a shower.
You just said 4 natural English phrases perfectly. And there is one phrase in this list that surprises almost every beginner the first time they hear it. We'll talk about it in just a moment. Okay, David, imagine this situation. You meet a new friend. Her name is Sarah. Sarah asks you, "What do you do in the morning?" How do you answer?
Let me try. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I have breakfast. Then I go to work.
David, that was beautiful.
Really? It felt simple.
That is the point. Simple is beautiful in English. Beginners think they need long, complicated sentences, but native speakers use short, simple sentences every day.
Wow, that makes me feel so much better.
And listeners, that conversation with Sarah, you can do it too. You know all those phrases now. I wake up, I take a shower, I have breakfast, I go to work.
It's like a little story about your day.
Exactly. And here's a fun tip. You can practice this right now, alone at home. Just talk to yourself in the mirror. Say your morning routine out loud in English.
I do this. I talk to myself in English all the time.
It really works. The more you say the phrases out loud, the more natural they feel.
Hey, if you are finding this helpful so far, please give the video a like. It really helps our channel grow. And it tells us you want more of this content.
Okay, so we talked about morning phrases. But David, what about the rest of the day?
Yes, what do people say in the afternoon?
Great. Let's go through the afternoon and evening routine. Same style, simple and natural. I go to work or I go to school. I have lunch. That means I eat in the afternoon. I finish work. That means my workday ends. I come home. I return to my house. I make dinner or I cook dinner. I watch TV, very common in the evening. I go to bed, and the day is finished.
I go to bed, so that's for sleeping.
Yes, go to bed means you go to your bedroom to sleep. It's different from go to sleep, which means the moment your eyes close and sleep begins. But for beginners, both are very commonly used and easy to understand.
So I could say, I go to bed at 10:30.
Perfect sentence, completely natural.
Okay, let me try the full day now. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work. I have lunch. I come home. I make dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 11.
Oh, David, that is a perfect daily routine in English. Every sentence was correct. Every sentence was natural.
I just described a whole day in English.
You did! And listeners, you can do the exact same thing. Try it right now in your mind. What is your daily routine in English?
Olivia, can I tell one more funny story?
Please.
So, one time I was telling my English teacher about my evening, and I wanted to say, I watched a movie and went to bed. But I was very tired that day, and I mixed up my words. I said, I watched a bed and went to movie.
Oh no!
My teacher just stared at me, and then she said, "That sounds like a very interesting evening, David."
I love that story. And honestly, making mistakes like that, it means you are learning. It means you are trying. And that is something to be proud of.
Absolutely. Every mistake is a step forward.
Okay, I promised you a surprise tip earlier, and here it is.
Oh yes, the one that surprises beginners.
So, when native English speakers talk about their routine, they often use a very short, natural phrase. Instead of saying, I usually wake up at 7 every time, they just say, I'm up by 7.
I'm up by 7. Oh, that sounds so natural.
Right? I'm up means I am awake, I am out of bed. By 7 means before 7 o'clock, around 7.
I'm up by 7. I'm out the door by 8.
Oh, I'm out the door. That is a beautiful, natural phrase. Out the door means you have left your home. You are going somewhere else.
So, I'm up by 7. I'm out the door by 8. At work by 9.
That is how a natural English speaker describes their morning. Short, simple, rhythmic.
Wow, that sounds really confident.
And it is confident. When you speak in short, clear sentences like that, you sound fluent, even as a beginner. And if you want more natural English phrases like this one, please subscribe to Fluent Thrive right now. We make new videos every week, just like this.
Olivia, what are the most common mistakes beginners make with these phrases?
Good question. Let me share 3 quick ones. First, many learners say, I am go to work. The natural version is, I go to work. No am, just I go.
I go to work. Clean.
Second, many learners say, I am make dinner. The natural version is, I make dinner. Again, no am needed here.
I make dinner. Simple.
Third, and this one is very common, learners say, I do my sleep at 10. But in English, we never say it that way. We say, I go to bed at 10 or I sleep at 10.
I go to bed at 10. Got it.
These are small changes, but they make a big difference. And remember, these mistakes are completely normal. Every English learner makes them. Even David did.
Many times. Many times.
Okay, let's do a quick and easy review. I'll say the phrase, David, tell me when to use it. Ready?
Ready.
I wake up.
You say this to talk about the time your sleep ends. I wake up at 6:30.
Perfect. Next, I get dressed.
This means you put on your clothes. You are ready for the day. I get dressed after my shower.
Excellent. And the last one, I go to bed.
This is the end of your day. You go to your room to sleep. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
3 phrases, 3 perfect explanations. Well done, David.
And well done to everyone watching. You learned all of these today.
So today, you learned how to talk about your full day in English. Morning phrases, afternoon phrases, evening phrases, natural shortcuts, common mistakes, and how to fix them.
That is a lot of English for one video.
And you understood all of it because you are learning step by step, day by day. English gets easier every time you practice.
Even 5 minutes of practice every day, it adds up. In 1 month, you will surprise yourself.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
If you found this video helpful, please share it with one friend who is also learning English. You will help them so much.
Thank you so much for watching Fluent Thrive today. We will see you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep growing. You are doing amazing.
See you next time, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.